So there's a couple of things I really hate about Competing Forever, and one of the things is he continuously tells half-truths. Now, he's recently just done a video of basically Tommy Robinson is this British hero for speaking out against Muslims. He's not speaking out against Muslims, Dave. He's basically inspiring fear. Exactly what you do. When a Muslim commits a crime, it's the end of the world. It's the downfall of Western civilization. Bar your windows because the barbarians are at the gates. But if a similar crime is committed by someone of another race or religion, you don't care. Look, Dave, Tommy goes on about how he hates paedophilia so much and he's in a crusade to stop it, but only this week, last week gone, there have been 2 big paedophile cases in national newspapers. Now, they haven't made the front page, but they've been in there. Not one word from Tommy. Now, I think that if there had been, both you and Tommy would literally not stop talking about it to try and reinforce your narrative that somehow multiculturalism is failing. Why is it failing? Oh, people are doing bad things. Well, everyone does bad things. It doesn't mean that, multiculturalism is failing. Multiculturalism is the definition that people of different races, colours and creeds can all live and get along together. And we've been doing that quite successfully for quite a number of years. And it's only people like you who have suddenly just gone, oh, multiculturalism's failed. And you go, why has it failed? Oh, it's just failed. Look at these crimes. Well, people who aren't the group that you are picking on have also been committing these crimes. Does that mean that multiculturalism has failed? No. And this is one such case of where Dave has jumped the gun, because he literally released a video hours after this happened, calling Tommy Robinson a British hero because he got arrested. Now, Dave didn't tell his fans and his supporters why he was arrested. Now, Dave likes to think he's a skeptic. And as a skeptic, Dave, you should have at least looked into why he was arrested. So since you didn't, Dave, allow me to tell you. Hang on. Here it is. So, first things first, real journalists, not Tommy, because he's not a real journalist, despite what he says and others believe, he isn't. And when you're covering a court case, real journalists actually have to have an understanding in law. Particularly this one, because it's the most important one surrounding what Tommy got arrested for, contempt of court. So, filming and recording courts and court precincts is illegal in the UK under Section 41 of the Criminal Justice Act 1925 and the Contempt of Court Act. This law is designed to protect the integrity of a trial by ensuring that juries are not exposed to information that could influence their decision other than that which is not disclosed in court. And Tommy broke that rule. He broke the law. He is not a British hero. And now, unfathomably, people have gone, oh, we've got to have a Save Tommy fund. He broke the law. Because I think he did it as a publicity stunt. Because I know about these laws. I've never filmed near a court or anything like that. But guess what? I know about them. So why the hell doesn't Tommy? And I work in the media. This is just unbelievably stupid. Unbelievably. So, if you are ultimately so dead set against for being a skeptic, Computing Forever, aka Dave Cullen, please look into the goddamn information. Do your homework, Dave. Don't just spout off and do something about it. I wonder if you will do a tweet, a retraction, make a video updating the fact that you were wrong and that Tommy has broken the law, legitimately broken the law. But I suspect you won't. So it's Dave Cullen once again showing why a lot of these alt-right channels and people who are talking about multiculturalism basically aren't telling the whole truth, because the half-truths to them suit their narrative more than the whole truth.